Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. How do you stop galahs, cockatoos and other birds from pulling out your lawn? We get this question quite a bit actually, and usually from those with a kikuyu lawn. But why do they do it and how do you stop them? Let's find out. Let's start by looking at why it's occurring in the first place. The first reason you might want to look at is whether there is an abundance of grubs or beetle larvae within the soil that they like to feed on. This is usually birds, like magpies or crows, that do this. For the most part, the birds are actually a blessing here, as they will help to keep the grubs under control and in limited numbers. When the grubs get out of hand, they can actually do quite a bit of damage to your lawn, and the damage that the birds cause in comparison is quite minimal. You can visit our website via the link above for more information regarding lawn grub treatment. Another cause of bird activity on your lawn is the lawn itself. Birds, like cockatoos and galahs, have a purely vegetarian diet and they feed off seeds and vegetation. One particular delicacy they enjoy is the starchy underground runners beneath your lawn surface, particularly those in kikuyu lawns. The problem is they need to dig around and rip at the grass roots to pull them out. You can leave them be and your lawn will survive and recover just fine. That's our first recommendation. But if they become more than an inconvenience and start to terrorise your lawn, there's a few things you can do to keep them at bay. Fake owls, hawks or cats. A common method many people look at is the use of fake predators like cats, owls or hawks. Birds can be smart and figure it out very quickly, so to improve the deception, look at moving the owl every few days. Also, it's best not to put it in an obvious position, as real owls do not like to be seen too easily. This fake owl also has eyes that flash and it makes a hooting sound when the motion sensor is activated. There are also some irrigation products with motion sensors that are available as well. Motion sensor irrigation. Motion activated sprinklers can detect bird movement on the lawn and quickly jet a stream of water at the target area. The sound of the sprinkler turning on, combined with the water, will frighten them away quickly and harmlessly, with only a couple of cups of water required before it turns off again. Bird repellents. There are products that you can spray on your lawn that the birds won't like the taste of. These products normally contain the active ingredient aluminium ammonium sulfate, just like this one here by Multicrop, called Scat. The active provides a bitter taste that the birds don't like, but it is completely safe and won't harm the birds. You can also source alum and mix it up with water yourself, with 1 teaspoon per litre, the advised mix rate. Other spray mixes we have seen people try include weak black tea and wasabi, all with mixed results for effectiveness. We are yet to see a method that is 100% effective, but hopefully one of these methods or a combination of them all will work for you. Let us know if any of these have worked for you in the comments, or if you found another solution. We'd love to hear it. If you haven't yet subscribed, click on the button in the corner to keep up to date with all things lawn. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.